Welcome everyone to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your email signature. An email signature is a block of text added at the end of your email messages. It's like your digital business card, and it helps the recipient know who you are and how they can contact you. On the screen, this is my digital signature or digital business card. It's showing my name, my profession, my contact number, and my email address. Others, they go further by adding their personal personal website, if they have, even their social links like LinkedIn, GitHub, maybe even Instagram. But for me, this is enough. It's clean and I prefer it to be in this way. So what happens with the email signature is that when you want to send an email to someone, you say compose, it automatically comes. It's added at the end of the message. So here I can type my message. There. So if I send a mail to this guy, they are going to receive the message together with my signature. So they know to say this is the sender, their profession, contact number, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to open another account which doesn't have the signature. Open the inbox. If I say create, as you can see, there is nothing here. The signature is not here. So if I say insert signature, there I'm told no signature. Okay, so we are going to create one. So we go to settings, CO settings, and then we go down to the signature section, which is this one here. As you can see, if you don't have any signature, this is the way it comes, or we are going to see something like this. So we say create new, and then we give it a name. Okay, so now we have a section or a provision where we can write our signature, this section. So in this section we can say insert Google Drive, then upload. We're uploading from our computer. Browse. Then I have this image. It's a 100 by 100 pixel image, which works well with Google signatures or Gmail signatures. You can edit yours. Then you open. Wait for it to load. Allow. There it is. Now, the way this section is treated, it's a one column and one row. It's a 1 by 1. So if we write our name there, we are just writing in one column and one row, which is a one cell. So we include our number +26 and our email address. There. You can use the tools here to format this one, but with my experience, these tools, they don't help. They don't really help. The only thing I use is this one. the font, just to change the font type, I like using serif. Looks nice. So we say like this, and then we go down here. You can try to format if you want, but they don't really help. Then here, the signature default. For new emails use, you can choose no signature, and then if you want the signature to be there, you can include it manually. But we want, whenever we want to compose a mail, the signature automatically comes. So we're going to say Flaxcosig, the one we are just creating. Even here, when we are replying and forwarding, then we go down, save changes. Then let's compose. For the first time, it does like this. It takes time to load, but a few seconds it comes. There is the signature we've just created. So I'm going to close this one. Try again. There it comes. Okay. Yeah. But the way it's looking, it's not. It doesn't show the professionalism in the signature. What we want is something like this. This one, we had two columns, one for the image and the other column for the text information, and one row. So we want to create something like this. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's go to our settings, see all settings. We are going to remove this, remove everything, make sure there is nothing there, and then we open Google Sheets. Google Sheets, this one. Blank spreadsheet. I recommend Google Sheets because of one reason. I'm going to show you. So we want two columns in one row. You can choose any columns you want. So I'm going to use this one and this one. So we increase the size. Even here, like, I think this is enough. We're going to use this and this. This one will be for the image, this one for the text information. So we highlight all the cells, and then we go to borders. We change the border color to white. So the default is black, so we choose white, and then we say all borders. Looks like we don't have the borders, but they are there. We can't see them because of the white background. The background is white and our borders are white, but trust me, they are there. Now we need a line here to separate the image and the text information. So you can choose either section. I like using this one. And then we go back to borders. We change the color from white. Let's use gray. And then the style, we increase the weight. And then which one? It's this one. It's a left border. This one is the right, this one is the left. This one is the top, this one is the bottom. So we want the left border, which is this one. And then just click anywhere, then you see the line appears. So here we are going to insert our image or our logo. So we say insert image. We have two options here. Why I recommended Google Sheets is because of this one, the first option there. Insert image in a cell. We want our image to be in the cell, not over the cell. I think Microsoft Excel uses this one. This one, the cell and the image will be anchored together. Whenever you increase the size of the cell, even the image increases. So it's like they are proportion. They'll be acting in proportion. This one, the image can be manipulated alone and the cell alone. They are not connected in any way. So no wonder I recommended Google Sheets. So we're going to use insert image in cell. Then we are going to browse. The image is on our local machine, which is this one. Okay, yeah, this one. So I can't edit or manipulate the image alone. Now let's just insert another image or the same image using a different option, this one, so that you see the difference. The same image, now you see the difference. See, even when it's just inserted, you can tell the difference. So this one is over the cell, so I can manipulate this one, the cell still remains. I can move it. I think this is the way or the option that Microsoft uses. You can try to tweak around and maybe you can achieve, but I still recommend Google Sheet. So yeah, we have the image there. Then this is our text section. So here, that's where we're going to write our text now. We are going to copy these two sheets, sorry, these two cells. Copy. Then we go back. In here, we are going to paste. There now we have two columns, the image column and the text column, and one row. So here we are going to write our text information. Let's write our name. Mobile number. We include our email address. Let's also include our address, our home address. There. And then we can format, you can change the style. This is the only thing that I use from those two down there. I like serifs because I like Times New Roman. Now you can say, why is the image not looking nice? Yeah, it's not nice, so we are going to remove it, and then we insert the same image, but this time we do it from here, not from the Google Sheet. Google Drive, upload, we select the same image. Wait, allow. There it is. Now the image looks clear. If you click the same image, you can see these options down here. You can choose large, but large doesn't look good. Medium, still not good. The small looks nice and clean. Okay, so down here we leave these two the way they are, and then we save changes. Let's see, we compose. Let's wait. There it is. Close, compose. There it is. Let's try to send to this guy. Say signature. Then we say we send. Let's go back to the other account. Let's wait. There it is. Let's open. So this is the sender. This is my new signature. How is it? Their profession, the name, contact number, and their address. So check this out. When replying, our signature also comes there, because we specified that when forwarding or replying, we should include our signature too. So we are going to say, this is great to the reply. This is great, yo. send, which is a reply. Let's go back and wait for the reply. There it is. Let's open and check. That's the signature for the reply. We click here. That was the original message. Okay, so this is how you create your email signature, which is a block of text added at the end of your email messages. It's like your digital business card, and it helps the recipient know who you are and how they can contact you. It shows your name, your profession, contact number, email address. You can also add your social links: LinkedIn, Instagram, GitHub. Yeah, and so you have your digital business card there. All right, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video.